Hi guys, it's Nadine. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you an old family favorite, and that is broccoli salad. If you like this kind of videos, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Let's get started. You will need the following: 200 milliliters of double cream yogurt, 2 heads of broccoli, 200 grams of bacon, 50 grams of nuts, you can use any nuts, half a can of whole kernel corn, 50 grams of raisins, 50 milliliter condensed milk, and 100 milliliter mayonnaise. Cut the broccoli in small pieces. This will form the base of your salad. Rinse your broccoli thoroughly. When it starts boiling, turn off the heat and let it steam until it's firm and crisp. Blanch the steamed broccoli in an ice bath. Cut the bacon into pieces and fry until crisp. Let it cool before you add it into the salad. Mix the wet ingredients together for the sauce. Drain the corn. Mix everything together. It is best enjoyed when it matured for a couple of hours. It can be served as a side dish for almost any meal, and it can even be enjoyed as a lunch meal on its own. Add salt and pepper to taste. I hope this becomes one of your family favorites. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.